So the third experiment is containerizing a ML model. Uh, so here the project structure is creating a Docker file, ml.py and requirements.txt. The machine learning code is explaining we are importing a scale and dataset. Import load iris. Using this, we are loading the dataset. Using model selection, we are selecting the model to train. To logistic regression, we are using the regression to train the model. Using metrics, we are importing accuracy score to predict the accuracy. X comma y load iris. This to split data, x train x test, y train y test, train test split data, and you are giving the values. Logistic regression model dot fit x train y train to predict y predict model dot predict x test. Accuracy score y test and y predict. This script trains a simple logistic regression model using the iris dataset and prints its accuracy. The next is the requirements.txt. Using scikit-learn, you are importing scikit-learn. The next is the Docker file. So this is the third experiment. Thank you.